is the chicken nuggets that turned out by
So on the right side,
right side.
we have the ones with oil, and on the left, the ones without
oil. That's more healthy. And delicious.
different lighting.
Fast foodie.
I'm not gonna lie, we all know which ones look tastier. The air fried ones, like some of the flour is still
There.
Yep. But that's my fault because I forgot to spray till later. But we're gonna take it apart. The air fryer still cooked it like awesome.
It looks awesome.
Let's try the air fryer one, Will. Blow it. Just dust off the little flour, won't do anything.
Very good.
Not bad. You're supposed to spray with like olive oil just lightly before you put it in there, and I forgot until like halfway through. I hurried and opened it and put it in there. It's alright. It's fine. Could be a little bit more moist. Now let's try the deep fried ones. Ooh, it's hot. How yummy. I can't believe you made this, Will. Can't, it's too hot.
I like these better.
But I think if I would have cooked, this is my first time air frying them. If I would have cooked them less, get that nasty glove out of here. If I would have cooked them less time and sprayed them, but these are as moist as can be, covered with oil.
These are better healthier.
No, you want to know they're real healthy? It's too hot. Let me see the oven mitt. Oven mitt. Sorry, people. Sauteed in vegetable oil and with veggies. So that's it for today's episode of Homemade Food. Chicken tenders, air fry versus fried.